Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram links not working problem. Before we move on to our methods, we check if Instagram is up to date. If you need to update Instagram, update it. Our first solution is to clear cache files of Android system view. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we click on Apps. We type Android system view in the search bar. Then click on Storage. Click on Clear Data. Click on Clear Cache. And press OK to confirm. We deleted the cache files of Android system view. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to log out of Instagram and log back in. To do this, we open Instagram. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. We go to Settings. We scroll down and click on Logout. Now we can log into our account again. After logging into your account again, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to clear Instagram's data. To do this, we go to Settings. Then click on Apps. Then click on Storage. We click on Clear Data, and we click on Clear All Data. Press OK to confirm we cleaned Instagram's data. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Our fourth solution is to delete and reinstall Instagram. Sometimes deleting and reinstalling can help solve such problems. We are deleting Instagram. Then we open the Play Store and download Instagram again. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fifth solution. Our fifth solution is to download the old version of Instagram. The reason we are doing this is that the problem we are experiencing may be due to the last update to Instagram. We will try to solve this problem by downloading the old version of Instagram. We delete the current Instagram on our device before downloading the old version. We will download the old version of Instagram. I will put the download link in the description section. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.